So to use Google Flights, there's something I didn't see on the site. If you put in your destination and you hit search, it defaults to a 4-day trip. And when you bring this up, I was always trying to flip between a departure date and a return date, like most sites. Like I'm trying to pick my departure date and my return, and I could never get my pricing right. That I could see because it kept jumping around. I didn't understand what was going on. But if you just hit reset, what you're wanting to do down here is put in like a 7-day trip right there. And then look at the prices. And then so the 19th is your cheapest. So that's the 7-day trip. And if you wanted to go, so you're not really picking a departure date. You really are just picking a departure date. Your return date is going to be plus 7 days to get that price. That's what was confusing about it, because when I would look at it, I would see, well, there's the 19th, but if I come back, on the 25th, it's $400. But this is, so if we do like, let's just say a 10-day trip, we left here, so that's going to put us back, leave on the 16th, the 10 days. Now we can see that 307 on the 26th. And anyway, if you were having the same problem I'm having, hope this is helpful to you. Thank you. Bye-bye.